Good morning, guys. Coming to you from beautiful Swansea today. I am struggling with the Tassie weather and the overcast nature of all the days and trying to get the power up in the caravan when there's no sun hitting our panels. So either way, what I'm going to quickly talk to you about today is just the issue that I've seen many times over the years with clients who, they'll come in and they say, I don't know why I'm gaining weight, or I don't know why I'm not losing weight. I eat well, or my sugars are through the roof, but I don't know what it is. I eat well, it's not my diet. And of course, that could be the case. There can be other things that send your sugars up, and there can be other things that might prevent you from losing weight or put weight on. But the core of it most of the time does come back to diet. And really, the issue when for the majority of the clients that I saw is that they might say that I'm eating well, or my carbohydrates aren't too high, my calories aren't too high. But when I ask them, well, roughly what are they? They've got no idea. It's just a gut feel. And even me as a dietitian who has been doing this for years and years, I need to look at the numbers. I can't look at what someone's eating just broadly and say, yep, no, you're fine there, or you're not. I quite often still need to delve a little bit deeper, and it can be quite complicated, particularly when you're looking at carbohydrates or calories or whatever it might be. And so this is why MEALZEE offers such a great solution, because it does all the thinking for you. The best solution for someone wanting to lose weight or control their blood glucose levels, for example, is to actually plan out your meals. And the reason this is so effective is because it eliminates hunger from the decision-making process. Because, when hunger starts to creep into our decision-making process, quite often our food choices are not that great, me included. If I get hungry, get out of my way, I want to eat something. And so the idea of planning is that you can plan your week out, and it takes hunger out of that equation so that you can just make a better decision that's going to have a greater impact on your health. And the idea of MEALZEE is that it does that in the click of a button. You can just hit a button, put in your preferences, and it'll spin up a meal plan. And then all your numbers are put in there in concrete. It's done all that thinking for you. Your carbs are controlled, your calories are controlled, and you've got a plan that's really going to put you on the path to much better health outcomes. So guys, if you're interested, as always, jump on the link that I'll put in the comments below, and you can join the waitlist. If you're a health professional, so dietitian, personal trainer, you can also use MEALZEE to create meal plans for your clients as well. So it's not just a public solution, it's a solution for health professionals to really help their clients get results much faster as well. So I'll put a link in the comment, guys. Please jump on if you want to find out when MEALZEE is being launched. We're doing some beta testing at the moment, and the official launch will be hopefully sometime in June. Fingers crossed, might even be late May. Thanks.